Hi, Paul Spaulding here, Berkshire Hathaway, the Spaulding Team. After a long 4-day weekend, or whatever you want to call 4th of July, Independence Day, we celebrated the Independence Day, and it was quite nice. So let's see what's going on with our real estate market today. I'm not going to go back too far, just the last couple of days, but there's only been 377 that have come on the market in the last 4 days, I think. So today we have this property on Sir Jeffrey. It's a manufactured home for $117,000. Nice green carpet. And Sir Jeffrey. Stewart and Christie. Okay, right over there. I think it probably comes with some parcel of land too, 6,500 square foot lot. And it has not been converted to real estate. That's too bad. That means it's just personal property. Cash only. Okay. Then we have this one today, property on Kemar. Nice curb appeal, nice lawn out front. Pictures aren't working too well. There we go. $900,000. Pool. Nice backyard. Willow Creek. Scar gated community. How about that? Near town center. Okay, nice area. Okay, then yesterday we have property on Jeffries. Nice condo. Tropicana in Eastern. Alright. Let's do next. Roaring Springs, 1,000,001. Nice kitchen. Very commercial quality. Pool, spa. Alright, so where is this? 4,700 square feet. Robindale and Buffalo, okay. Alright. Well, that's that. So, let's see what's going on here. We have 407 properties in escrow. What has closed in the last few days? Probably nothing because it's been the holiday. Oh, look at that. A bunch of them reported today. We have a condo, 1,100 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in '84 for $115,000. Okay. Then $1.7 million for this property. Pretty contemporary. That's on Pecos Mall. Nice area. Not as big estates over there. Let's see what we got here as far as, yeah, half an acre, 23,500 square feet. Nice. Okay. Well, that's about it for that. Let's go back over and do some more searching. And find out what the pool properties are doing the last couple of days. $150 in 2 days. That's not pools though, that's just everything. 34 last 2 days. Might not have been reported yet, but that's not a lot. $399. Okay, the other thing we are going to look at is July's numbers. Look at this, closed sales dropped off quite a bit from last month, May to July, or June I mean. Single family, 214 or more. All sizes. Median sales price is still going up, $309. New listings, steady rise. Homes for sale. Pending sales, still good. Closed sales kind of leveled off there. Days on the market shot up quite a bit. A month supply is almost identical to last. And we've gone down to 99.1. Look at that. It was at 99.6. Gone down 0.5%. Percentage of list price that we sold. That's the median. What's the average? 98.6. And it was 99. Price per square foot, average, 172. Dollar volume has got pretty steady, 10 billion in the entire MLS. It's good stuff. So, anyway, I will talk to you a different time, and you have a wonderful day.